I am Adam Ruskin. I work for Ecolab. My background is in chemical engineering, but I've been in the food and the food segment or food producers group for quite some years now. And I also spent some time in the consumer goods market. That's a good question. So from an OPC perspective, I think that one of the most important elements is accessibility. Whether it's accessibility to be able to clean the equipment, it's accessibility for the chemicals to actually touch the surface of the equipment. For example, if you have a conveyor belt and there's a bunch of flaps overlapping the conveyor, you end up with blind spots where the chemicals don't touch. There could be food products left over, and you end up with high microbiological counts, which impede the ability to properly clean and disinfect. From a CIP perspective, my perspective is that dead legs and drainability are the two key elements related to hygienic design. If something is not drainable, then what you end up with is water and potentially some microbiology if you have a leak or a crack in the system growing and developing in the water, and then you can have biofilms or any sort of other problems. The next part related to dead legs is dead legs are extremely hard to clean, and they can be in the form of old projects that got cut out. They can be in the form of sensors and tools that were incorrectly installed, but they could also be for new installations that are anticipated. You could have a collector and you could have 5 or 6 positions that are open for new lines, but while you're waiting for the new lines, those points end up being dead legs. Hygienic design really can impact many different parts of it, but one of the key parts is it makes their job easier. And in human nature, people like to do the thing that's most easy and most simple. And so if we make something easy because we've done a great job of hygienically designing a piece of equipment, then people will not only be able to complete the expectations and tasks, they won't hurt themselves from a safety perspective by trying to bend, crawl on the floor, get wet, have to stick their hand in places that is really hard to reach. And overall, they'll be happy because they'll know that they're not wasting their time doing things that should have fixed with the proper hygienic design. So overall, these elements will bring employee satisfaction because they know that they are not wasting their time, they have an easy job to do, and they can easily complete the task to their proper satisfaction. And when they complete everything, they can stand back and look at a nice, shiny, clean piece of equipment. I would like to invite everybody to come and join us in Nantes, in France, October 2nd and 3rd, 2024, for the EHEDG World Conference. I will be there along with many other distinguished speakers, and we really look forward to being able to discuss and interact with everybody. And I also hope that you'll have the opportunity to learn something interesting.